Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Education WAMH. In this video, I am going to discuss about all the constructions related to grade 11 mathematics syllabus. Actually, constructions part is an easiest part that you can gain full marks for your O-level examination. For grade 10, I have prepared another video. You can get that video from the description. I invite you to subscribe my channel and watch more videos. More than the 4 basic loci, grade 11, there are two another constructions. Construction of a perpendicular to a line through a given point on a line. First, I'll draw a straight line like this by using the straight edge. Then we have to take some distance to the pair of compasses and keep the point of pair of compass on the straight line like this and draw in an arc on the other side of the straight line. Then keeping the point of compass on the intersecting point and draw an arc like this again. Then we can name the two intersecting points as A and B. This is the straight line segment AB. Let's mark a point on the straight line as C. Then taking some distance to the pair of compasses, then keeping the point of the pair of compass on C, we have to draw two arcs on either side of the point C on the straight line like this. Now taking more distance to the pair of compasses and keeping the point of pair of compass on these intersecting points, we have to draw two arcs on one side of the straight line segment like this. Then keeping on the other point also we can draw another arc by intersecting the first arc. Now this intersecting point and the point C can be joined by using the straight edge. Now we'll mark this point as D. This CD straight line is perpendicular to the straight line segment AB. This angle is 90 degrees. Now we are going to learn about how to do the construction of a perpendicular to a straight line segment from an external point. Here we are given the straight line segment PQ and the external point R. We have to take some distance to the pair of compasses. Then keeping the point of the pair of compass on R, we have to measure the perpendicular distance roughly to PQ straight line. Then we have to take more distance than this and draw two arcs on the PQ straight line segment like this. Then we have to take some distance to the pair of compasses and keep the point of the pair of compass on Q. We are drawing an arc on the other side of the PQ straight line segment. Then keeping on the other point also we are drawing an arc like this. Then this intersecting point and the point R should be joined. Then if I take this ending point as T, now RT line segment is perpendicular to the PQ line segment. This angle is 90 degrees. Now let's see about construction of circles related to triangles. First we'll study the construction of the circumcircle or circumscribed circle of a triangle. This is an acute angle triangle. Let's name the vertices as A, B and C here. This we have to select two sides of this triangle. I am selecting AB and AC sides. Then we have to construct the perpendicular bisectors of these straight line segments, and then the intersecting point of these constructions is the center of the circumcircle. From the center, the distances to the points A, B and C all are equal. By taking that distance as the radius, we can construct the circumcircle easily. First, I'll draw the perpendicular bisect of the AC line segment first. We can draw two arcs like this, then without changing the distance, keeping on A also, I am drawing two line segments. Then we can join these intersecting points by using the straight edge. Now let's construct the perpendicular bisect of the AB line segment. In this way, now we know how to construct the perpendicular bisector. Now we are joining these intersecting points. This intersecting point of the two perpendicular bisectors is the center of the circumcircle. Next, by taking this point as the center of the circle and taking OA distance as the radius of the circle, we can construct the circumcircle like this. If we have done it correctly, the circle should go through each point A, B and C. The center of the circumcircle is this point. I will name it as O. Then these distances OA, OB and OC are equal. We can write like this. Special feature here is when we construct the circumcircle of an acute angle triangle, the center of the circumcircle comes inside the acute angle triangle. Now we are going to construct the circumcircle of a right angle triangle. We are given this right angle triangle PQR. By selecting two sides, we can construct the perpendicular bisectors of this side first. I will take the side QR first and draw the perpendicular bisector. This is the perpendicular bisect of the QR line segment. Now we can select PQ or PR. I am selecting PQ here. Then draw the perpendicular bisect of the PQ line segment as we did earlier. Now the intersecting points of the two perpendicular bisectors is the center of the circumcircle. We can mark it as O here. Now taking O as the center and taking the distance to one point PQOR as the radius, we can construct the circumcircle like this. If we did it correctly, the circle should go through each vertex point of the triangle PQR. As this is a right angle triangle, the center of the circumcircle locates on the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle. You can perform the same process for an obtuse angle triangle. It may be different than these two. Now we are going to study how to construct the incircle or inscribed circle of a triangle. First we will take this acute angle triangle ABC. In this acute angle triangle there are three interior angles. From that we are selecting two interior angles and taking the angle bisectors of them. First I will select the BAC angle, taking some distance like this. I can draw an arc here. Then I can draw another two arcs by keeping the point of the pair of compass on the intersecting points. This is the way. Then we can join this intersecting point and the A point. So this is the angle bisector of this angle. In the same way, we have to construct the angle bisector of another angle. I will take the BCA angle and do the construction. The same procedure here. Here we have obtained the intersecting point of the two angle bisectors. So this is the center of the incircle. How to take the radius of the circle now? It is not the distances to the vertex points. We have to take the perpendicular length to one straight line segment AB, BCO, AC. For that we have to construct a perpendicular to one straight line segment from this center of the circle. I have named the center as O. By taking some distance to the pair of compasses, we have to draw two arcs on the AC line segment like this. Then keeping the point of the pair of compass on these intersecting points, we have to draw another two arcs on the other side of the straight line segment AC. Now we can join this intersecting point and the point O by using the straight edge. This is the perpendicular constructed. The angle is 90 degrees. I will take this point as T. Now by taking O as the center and OT as the radius, we can construct the inscribed circle or incircle in this way. If we have constructed the circle correctly, the straight line segment AB, BC and AC all should be tangents to the inscribed circle. Now we are going to learn how to construct the X circle or ascribed circle of a triangle. We have taken this acute angle triangle PQR. First we have to extend two sides of this triangle like this. QP side to this direction and QR side to this direction. Now we have obtained two exterior angles of this triangle here. First we have to construct the angle bisectors of these two exterior angles. I'll take this angle first by drawing an arc like this. Then changing the distance, I can keep the point of the pair of compass on the intersecting points and draw another two arcs in this way. Then we have to join the intersecting point to the point R. In the same way, we have to take the angle bisect of the other exterior angle. I'll name the intersecting point of the two angle bisectors as O. So this is the center of the X circle. Then I'll name these two ending points of the straight line segment as S and T. Now we have to draw an perpendicular from O to PS, PRO, RT straight line segments. We can select one straight line segment here. I'll select the straight line segment RT and draw the perpendicular. This is the way. Now this is the perpendicular from O to RT straight line segment. I'll take this point as X. Now taking O as the center and OX distance as the radius, we can construct the X circle in this way. We have done the steps correctly. The PS, PR and RT line segment should be tangents to the X circle.